I'm going to cut it right down the middle, all the way, and then we're going to have a face shield. All right, protect you against the droplets of the coronavirus. All right, so I'm just going to cut this right down the middle here. And I'm going to flip it over to the other side. Have it right in there. All the way down. I'm going to use some tin snips here to get into this. On both sides. There we go. Then slide this down. There we go. So now it's open. Just got to cut this side over here. Alright, now we're open. Now I'm going to need the tin snips down here because this is really hard plastic. So I'm going to get in there. I'm just going to cut right across. If I can. So tough. Very hard to cut with. I have to go around. There we go. I got it. There we go. Alright. Now we just got to make a little cut there. Bam. So now, we got our face mask. Put this there. Slide this around. So you got to put a thing on it like this. And it's going to basically just go right over my face. Like that. So now you got a face mask. Yeah. Alright, so anyway, I need something to hold it onto my head. So I need about that length of it. So I'm going to cut this right here. Get my blade. Should do it. And then I'm going to attach this to my bottle. How's that sound? And maybe it'll work. We'll see. So I think I'm going to use some tape. So I've got this tape here. I'm going to use this. And we'll stick it right on there. Put it right on the side. Like this. And put a piece of tape right there. That should hold it. Then we come around to the other side. Do the same thing. Let's first see if it works. So you need it to be right about like that. Okay. So I gotta put it right about there. Get my tape ready. Oops. Put it on there like that. Then we gotta rip it. Could use a knife, but I should do it. I'm a little crooked, but alright, so now I've got a fairly decent face shield. Now I could heat this and make it a little bit flatter, but that should work. Bam, done. Face shield. Face shield. Protect the face from spit and coughing and sneezing and COVID-19. If you have a flat one though, it'd be better because it's kind of like wavy. I kind of feel like I'm hallucinating a little bit, but it's gonna work. So, fuck. Alright, if you like this video, I've got many more on the apocalypse. Oh my god, I hope we get out of this thing alive.